What's up mga ka-choots? Churujun here. Today's an exciting day because we're unboxing the GoPro Hero 11 Creator Edition. I couldn't wait to get my hands on this camera. So let's dive right in.
Ready, set, go!
Education, travel, Churujun TV. Welcome to our channel. Here it is, the Hero 11 Creator Edition in all its glory. Just look at this sleek design. The box feels premium, and you can tell that a lot of thought has gone into the packaging. Alright, let's open it up. We have here a nice carrying case. Let's take a look what we have in here. Wow! Let's just start with the Hero 11 camera itself. Wow, the Hero 11 Creator Edition feels incredibly lightweight and compact. This is perfect for those of us who are always on the move. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, yet sturdy enough to withstand the toughest adventures. This bundle comes with 5 main components. First was the camera itself. Then we have this flash or light mod for night footage. We will have a quick demo with this later. The third component is the hand grip, which they call the Volta. You can control the GoPro wirelessly using this Volta, which can also serve as a little tripod and which can also charge your GoPro for lasting battery life, and with a little hand strap for safety. Alright, so we'll set this up later. The fourth component is the media mod, which transforms your GoPro into a production powerhouse. It features a built-in directional mic for enhanced voice capture, 3.5mm mic port, HDMI out for playback on external monitors, plus 2 cold shoe mounts for lights or additional mics. And here is the GoPro Enduro rechargeable battery for longer lasting battery life, and is built to last in cold weather conditions. Let's see what else we have in here. The trusty user manual for those who want to dive into all the camera features. GoPro always delivers when it comes to providing everything you need to start capturing incredible footage right away. And here is the GoPro step-by-step setup guide. We will put this aside first and we'll be back to this in a second to set up our GoPro. And what else do we have in here? Okay, we have the essential mounts and accessories. Also, inside this carrying case, we have the curved adhesive mount, mounting buckle plus thumb screw, USB-C cable, USB-C pass-through door, the vertical mounting buckle, light diffuser or windshield that protects the shotgun microphone from wind noise when you are filming outside, and a 2-finger adapter. After unboxing, the first thing to do is to insert the battery and a micro SD card into your Hero 11. The GoPro Hero 11 Black comes with a new high-performance Enduro battery. So first is you just have to slide the tab towards the bottom and lift the side door up. With your camera off, insert the battery into the battery compartment and push the battery down. Next, you have to insert the memory card. Some of the GoPro cameras come with an SD card, but this GoPro doesn't have one. So make sure that you have one before you start setting up. There are several options available in the market to choose from. And when you push this door of your battery compartment back in, you don't want to see any red because this door is waterproof when it's closed properly. Now, let's power up our camera. Wow, the boot up time is impressively fast and we're greeted with a clean and intuitive user interface. Okay, now one of the most important steps in setting up our camera is to update the firmware. To get the latest features and the best GoPro performance, you need to update the camera firmware to the latest edition. You can update the camera software using the GoPro app. And make sure to leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. You just have to download the GoPro Quick app from the Apple Store or Google Play and just follow the steps on screen to start pairing, and the app instructs if new software is available and start updating. Okay, I'm going to sign in with Apple. Do you have a GoPro? Yes. Set up your GoPro now? Yes. GoPro Quick would like to use Bluetooth? Click Allow. GoPro Quick would like to find and connect a device on your local network? Click Allow. Then connect camera. Bluetooth pairing request? Click Pair. Once pairing is complete, you can name your GoPro and then click Update Camera. Then GoPro Quick wants to join Wi-Fi network Hero 11 Black. Click Join. Accept terms and continue. Transferring files to camera. Alright, it says update complete. So now our Hero 11 is ready. The app will help you to work wirelessly with your iPhone or smartphone. You can download footages and control the camera wirelessly. Check out this awesome touchscreen on the back. It's crystal clear and super responsive. Navigating through menus and settings is a breeze. And don't worry, there are still physical buttons for quick access to essential functions, making it easy to operate even when you're wearing gloves. Okay, now we go over to the media mod. And in the media mod, there is a lever here. You're going to pull down the lever and that should open this up. Be careful because it's somewhat plasticky. And in this GoPro, we're going to take this door off, same as when you open the lever from the media mod. But this should just pop off and leave the battery installed. And you see that USB-C right here that's going to power into this GoPro here. And you're going to slide the GoPro in. Be careful with this. And that USB-C port, make sure it is seated. And then you are going to take this door and close this, and this will snap on there. And now let's going to put the tripod remote control and charger grip named Volta. One thing you're going to keep in mind in this is that it does rotate. This grip is going to charge the GoPro because it has an internal battery and you can control the GoPro with it. To attach the GoPro camera to your Volta, you just have to take the feet out and then screw this buckle here. One important note is that you cannot control the GoPro through this cable, but you've got to connect to it with a Bluetooth. If you are done attaching the GoPro to the Volta, you can now connect the charging cable from your Volta to the charger port in your media mod to continuously charge the camera while you are on the go. There's also a hand strap on your Volta to make sure that the camera is secure and to prevent this from dropping even in challenging situations. Swipe down from the top. After you swipe down from the top, swipe to the left, click on Preferences, then Wireless Connections, then connect a device, and then select the Volta. Hold the Bluetooth button for 4 seconds. There is a Bluetooth button in this remote, and now connection is successful. I have a blue right there. Now it says that I am connected. The Volta works excellent as a tripod. It has additional accessory mount on the side. You can rotate it 360 degrees. It has a little tripod universal mounting screw at the bottom also. Let's grab our light, slide it right here, and it can attach to the media mod pretty good. Then we can also attach the windshield or the mic diffuser that protects the shotgun microphone from the wind noise. And look how simple it is to assemble the GoPro Hero 11 Creator Edition. It's a matter of seconds and you're ready to go. GoPro has made it incredibly user-friendly, so you don't waste any time fumbling with complicated setups. Now let me give you a quick demo with the light. As you can see, it's very bright, and this is the maximum brightness. With this, you can comfortably film at night or any dark areas or places. Now let me show you how to wirelessly operate your GoPro using the Volta. I can long press the mode button or start button to turn on the GoPro. Now from the handle, I can click the mode button to select from video, photo, or time-lapse. And you can click this red button to start recording or stop recording or to take a photo. I just took a photo and a video. And then you can swipe up to see your footage. And then swipe left to browse your media folders. And lastly, you can long press this and it will turn off your GoPro camera.
And that wraps up our GoPro Hero 11 Creator Edition unboxing. Stay tuned for future videos where we'll put this camera to the test in various thrilling adventures. If you're excited as I am, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of the epic footage we'll be capturing. And until next time, happy exploring.